Rights versus doing what's right. A state lawmaker says he'll examine just that as he looks at the current state of South Carolina law. This after an owner shot his own dog but was not charged. WYFF News 4's Mandy Gaither is live and local in our Anderson newsroom. Mandy, what's he looking at doing?
Well, State Representative Mike Gambrell told me he's instructed his staff to get information on what is actually state law to see if there are any changes that can be made.
It's a case that sparked outrage and possibly change. This boxer, later named Amara, shot in the head by her owner after the owner says she had become aggressive. Anderson County deputies, a magistrate, the deputy solicitor, and others agree the state law doesn't prohibit an owner from doing this. Animals are considered property.
We've got to be careful in our remedy to protect the rights of the property owner versus trying to do the right thing.
Speaking to us from Columbia, Anderson's State Representative Mike Gambrell says changing the state law could have an effect on the farming industry. Anderson County Councilman Tom Allen says the law may be the way it is now because of farmers.
South Carolina has been an agricultural state for hundreds of years, and that's an acceptable method of putting animals down. And I would imagine over the past 10 to 20 years or so, there have been hundreds of horses, cows, sheep, pigs, everything else shot and buried on an individual's property.
While Allen says the county can't supersede the state, he says there are some things that the county can do.
We need to review our county ordinance too, because there are pieces of that need to be upgraded. We still can't rewrite state law, but if there's any way we can rearrange anything in our local ordinances to help cover this, we would certainly do it.
So is that something that y'all are prepared to do, to actually look at ordinances?
Oh, sure, yes.
Now, I also talked tonight to Charleston attorney Stephen Futerall. He wrote a book about animal laws in South Carolina, and he told me there is a reasonable suspicion that a crime has been committed, and therefore he says it should be up to a jury to decide. Mandy Gaither, WYFF News 4 live in the Anderson newsroom.